did you draw that? Wow, you're such a good drawer. Look at all that natural talent. I can't even draw a circle. Hey, why's she got no clothes on? And where's her face? Can you draw me?
Like bitch as long as I could bust nuts fast. We don't give a fuck about no.
You're not gonna shoot a puppy, are you, Jack?
Yeah, in the face. Why?
Right here. Right.
Oops, got what secretly turns you on. Now let's see what it is. Really? Really? That's what...
My fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. Yeah, the apple bottom make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money, no. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want.
Where? What? 미쳤어!
Why don't females come with baby voices anymore?
In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
Coochie gon' stink sometimes. It is what it is. And it's a moist environment clapped up between two thighs, and y'all motherfuckers think it's supposed to taste like juicy fruit or strawberries, but the wonder that it is magic, and you're missing the essence by making these women feel so much shame that they be sticking a bar of soap up in there. Baby, if I get between your thighs, I'm not trying to taste your soap or summer's eve. I don't want to tip through the tulips. I want to get in touch with your two lips, and I want it to smell like the seasoning and essence of you. If it's too razzle-dazzle for you, you don't have to put somebody down. You can just be like, baby, let's jump in the shower together. I want to get you all clean and then get you dirty. Sometimes she's salty, sometimes she's tangy, sometimes a little metallic, which means flow is close, but my partner knows for damn certain I want to know how her day went, and I want to taste it on her, and I want to smell it later. Stop fucking with people who are so removed from the human experience they forget to let you be a human being.
One thing about me, I can and I will delete your comments because far too many people are speaking up on a post that clearly wasn't about them. So like I said, mind the business that pays you and shut the fuck up.
Is this the thanks that I get for putting you bitches on? Is it my fault that all of you bitches gone? Should've sent a thank you note, you little hoe. Now I'm sitting on the sofa like a bagel and I'm all alone. Like a bagel, oh, like a bagel. Just wishing and a hoping and a praying my mama comes home.
Oops, got your uncle. Come on down, the aunties. Sign the contract, and auntie will show you how it's done.
Man, I got all the favorite bitches say I'm delicious. I'ma have all you motherfuckers laying in ditches. I'ma kill all you rappers, I'ma aim with precision. They was rocking with your ass. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the window, to the window, to the wall, to the wall. To the sweat drop down my ball. My ball. To all these bitches wall.
Yeah, but I can't get them out of my head.
Your fucking bitch, hope you know that shit.
Yo, man ain't shit. He act like a bitch. Can't fuck shit. He gotta look dead.
Hey, are you guys the people that just killed me? At the lighthouse? Oh, yep, I recognize that. Yep.
Lighthouse? Yeah, you're bad.
Oh, really?
Dude, you're literally terrible. Like, go to an aim trainer, bro.
Are you...
Terrible. Just uninstall the game. Why are you even playing? Like, Why are you what did even playing? what did you
Guys.
have, bro? What were you
Listen,
recycling?
listen.
You got like 2 scrap. No, shut up. Shut up. No. Don't even talk. Don't even talk.
Oh,
You're terrible.
Alright, just stay here, alright? Just give me 1 second.
You're bad. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna stay here.
Okay, buddy. Okay. Alright, boys, the base is up ahead. Base is up ahead. Hey guys, I'm back. Are you home still? Ah, you are.
Oh yeah, you're back. Oh.
What's up, buddies? Yeah, look who's here. Look who's here. Look who's here. It's
You were literally trolling anyways. Yeah.
so you're trolling now, yeah? You're trolling?
I can. Yeah, we were just trolling. Yeah, we were.
Were you trolling? Hey, boys, surround the base, boys, surround the base. Listen, buddy. Hey, listen to me, alright?
Please.
Listen to me.
Dude, please. I only have.
Alright, you guys, I gave you a chance. All I wanted was my bow. All I want. Nah. Oh, I'll get it. Don't worry. I'll be taking your stone. I want all your shit, alright? I'm getting all your shit, because all I wanted was a bow, and you guys said I'd be little shit, so. Everybody back up from the window! Back up from the window! Rocket launchers! Rocket launchers, pull those rockets out, because we are coming in. Get inside, boys, get inside. Blow down that door, blow down that door. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Get in, boys.
Jane Banner.
By yourself?
Yeah, it's just me.
No, Ben Shoyle. I'm the tribal police chief. That's Corey Lambert with Fish and Wildlife. He's the one who found the body. And this is his father-in-law, Dan. You don't do nothing. We got the same job, eh?
Well, I'm sorry to meet under.
Hey, babe. How come you never post me on Facebook? Because, I only post jokes, and you're not a joke to me. Aw, you're very cute.
You don't respect trans women because you're transphobic. I don't respect them because they're women. Trans inclusive radical misogyny. There's a better way to hate.
Make you know I never take shit. I don't talk about it, I just spit it at the basic. You don't really want to be the one to have to run up, turn and face it. You motherfucker really want to be the one to follow, wait a minute, base that back. I'ma be the one to get a motherfucker jumping to the base to the rip so quick, who that?
Listen.
There's something in my mirror, and it
you made it to the end of this video and you want to see more compilations that I've made, click on the playlist on my channel. Don't forget to credit all of the wonderful people who made these TikToks that I put together in this compilation. They put a lot of hard work on their videos and I want people to see it. If you want to see more of my work, I have my socials linked in the description of every video. Again, thanks for watching.